Hello everyone. Today's topic is abnormal constituents in urine. This is the part 2 of the urine chemistry, and today we will talk about ketone urea. So the abnormal constituents of urine include reducing sugars, ketone bodies, proteins, blood, bile salts, and bile pigments. So before we go into the testing various methods of ketone bodies, first let us look at the what exactly ketogenesis is. Ketogenesis is synthesis of ketone bodies. It is a normal phenomenon. It occurs in the in the body continuously. So whenever there is decreased glucose in the blood circulation, there is increased this leads to increased fatty acid oxidation, which increases the concentration of acetyl CoA in circulation and in the liver, and the increased acetyl CoA leads to increased ketone body synthesis. Now whenever ketone body synthesis is happening in normal conditions, it is needed for organs as a source of energy, such as brain, heart, adrenal cortex, and skeletal muscles. They depend upon ketone bodies to an extent whenever there is decreased glucose. But if the amount of ketone body synthesis increases, then this leads to decreased blood pH. Now, what happens in decreased blood pH? The formation of and the transport of hemoglobin, oxyhemoglobin is impaired. So this leads to various problems, and it may turn out to be fatal if not controlled initially. So whenever we are doing the analysis of urine sample, we first go in for the gross appearance. The gross appearance includes color, appearance, and odor. And we can further go into the physical characteristics such as pH, specific gravity, and volume of the urine. So the gross appearance will be discussed very briefly over here. The microscopy is beyond the scope, and biochemistry part will be discussed. So the ketone bodies are commonly of three types, that is acetone, acetoacetate, and beta hydroxybutyrate. The normal level in blood is zero point 0.5 to 1.5 milligrams per deciliter, and the normal amount in urine is up to 50 milligrams per day. The overproduction of ketone bodies is seen in starvation and uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. Ketonemia is increased ketone bodies in the blood. Ketone urea is in excretion of ketones in the urine. Ketosis is increased formation of ketone bodies in the tissues, and this leads to smell of acetone in the breath, and it may cause ketoacidosis, which is, as discussed, seen in starvation and uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. Now, ketoacidosis is a serious condition, and it needs to be dealt with lot of care. So the tests for ketone bodies includes the Rotheras tests, which is a common test for all ketone bodies, the Gerhard's test, which is a test for acetoacetate, the test for beta hydroxybutyrate, and the dipstick or the reagent strip test. Now, in today's lecture, we will only talk about the Rotheras test and the dipstick test in detail. But one needs to remember all the names and for which ketone body they are. So the test for ketone bodies is Rothera's test. It is a common test for all the ketone bodies. The principle is that nitroprusside in alkaline medium reacts with keto group to form a purple ring. So what exactly is the procedure? We have to take 5 ml of urine and saturate it with with solid ammonium sulfate, And then to this we add 5 ml of freshly prepared sodium nitroprusside. This has to be mixed well, and liquor ammonia is added from the side of the tubes. The purple ring at the junction of the liquid indicates the presence of ketone bodies. Now, the questions for ketone bodies are: name the ketone bodies, define ketonuria, mention the causes of ketonuria, state changes you will observe in the physical characteristics of ketonuria. So, this is how it looks. Now, this is the sodium nitroprusside, and this is how the reagent looks. This is the urine sample, which is saturated with ammonium sulfate powder, and after saturation with ammonium sulfate powder, um the sodium nitroprusside and liquid ammonia are added to it. Now, on addition of these chemicals, there is a ring formed at the junction of two liquids, and this purple ring is indicating the presence of ketones in the urine sample. So, the interpretation. Now, the causes, the presence of ketones in urine is known as ketonuria. It is an abnormal constituent of urine and seen in uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, starvation, high fat diet, heavy exercises, and toxemia of pregnancy. The next test that we commonly do is the reagent strip method. So the principle is based on nitroprusside reaction for ketone. The multi-stick strip contains buffers and sodium nitroprusside impregnated in the pad, which reacts with acetoacetic acid and produces a pinkish maroon color in 15 seconds. It is less sensitive to acetone, and the sensitivity is 10 milligrams for 10 milligram acetoacetic acid and 70 milligrams per dl of acetone. So this test is done pretty commonly, and this is a test that can be used for screening. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.